Hello everyone, Bryan Whitaker. I am the technical manager here at Additives, specifically for our EcoPro line of products. Our EcoPro line of products consists of the cart, as well as a reusable chemical, and then beyond that, a high-performance coolant called EcoPro Cool-X. We utilize the cart in conjunction with the chemical to clean out water lines. Not just molds like I've got set up over here. Beyond that, we also flush out chill rolls, chill rails, thermolators, heat exchangers, clamshells. This system can be used across multiple facilities, whether you are an injection molder, a blow molder, an extrusion house. You can use it to clean various pieces of equipment in your facility. We designed the cart to be entry-level friendly. It's very simple to operate, but don't let that fool you. We use it in a wide range of applications, from small injection mud molds all the way up to chill rolls on an extrusion application. All various pieces of equipment that are running water and experiencing scale. So while it is user and beginner friendly, it'll clean pretty much everything in your shop that's running waters. Some of the key highlights of this system: the chemical I mentioned earlier is reusable, it's safe to work with, it's water-based, it's not going to put holes in your hands or in your floors. My longest standing customer has been using the same 10 gallons he purchased a little over 5 years ago. The consumable item in this system is this 5-micron filter. So if it's running water, experiencing scale, and you can connect to it, odds are this chemical is going to clean it. We also carry foaming agents and purging compounds. We have technical support for both of those product lines. ID Additives is a family-owned company based out of Chicago, and we pride ourselves on our technical support. In fact, our tagline is unmatched technical support for innovative products. We want to be in front, we want to help, we want to eliminate problems and reduce your cost overall.